Okay man guys, going to the mainland via motorcycle. Yan, masusubukan na naman ni Obispo ang bagsik ng daan papuntang Ilagan. Oh. Bayabas. Okay man guys, first river crossing. At sila Bishop doon, nandun sa taas. So. Okay man guys. Hanging bridge. Yan. Sige po. Oh. Wag mo na kayong sumunod.
Bro Joel, amo nga sa silgan ni Destino.
Padayo ka ba, Seth?
Magsunod. Hindi kaya. Huwag kayo magsunod.
Talaga. Na? Oh. Yes. Ready? Manggay, second river crossing. Oh.
Ada ti barigatan nga idang mangga sige tayo makatek mo.
Opo. Yes. River crossing. First stopover. Rest muna. Yes. Success. Rest saglit.
Kailangan dinaklay. Nanugid tayo di wala tama.
Oh.
Pas lumatag sintihisa ka.
Oh. Basic ya. Jai danom sugar nga nagkakamit danomin tap no. Grabe. Ay. Dati. Okay man guys. Stop over dito sa Bikat. Snack time. Okay. Welcome. We're here.
This is now very good condition. Yeah.
Yes. Man guys, we're here now at DSUP with Pastor Kim again. Okay. Welcome. Woo! Here we are. This is DSUP. Welcome, Bishop.
Yes.
Yeah, you conquered the Sierra Madre. You conquered the Sierra Madre. Yeah, finally.
We will give this one to them. 7-5 now. Who is your companion? With the Lima. With Kaumbayan. Young missionary.